Hello and welcome to I Love Lucci. Question for you. What do you get when you put together sugar, lemon, juice of lemon, honey, milk or almond milk, sugar, and olive oil? Da 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 da. The answer is cough syrup. Yummy, delicious, natural, and effective, very soothing cough syrup. So here is the recipe. And it's simple to make. Let's go over here where we're having the demonstration. First, we're going to put together 4 tablespoons of sugar and the 4 tablespoons of milk. We're making this one with almond milk. And we bring it to a boil. As you can see here, it's bubbling and thicking up. So you're going to keep boiling that until it's nice and thick. And then you're going to come back and you're going to add the following 3 ingredients. You're going to add 2 teaspoons of olive oil, 4 tablespoons, it's all tablespoons, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 4 tablespoons of honey, and 1 fresh squeezed lemon. You're going to stir that all together and you have your natural cough syrup. So refrigerate that after you've used it because it does have the dairy in it. In this case we used almond milk for people who are dairy sensitive, and it did work. It came out nice and thick and tasty. So you just use that. We're just looking at the nice thick consistency that you get once you boil the sugar and the milk. That's before you add the rest of the ingredients. And as I say, take as much as you need. Take a couple tablespoons at a time. Enjoy it. It's delicious. It soothes the throat instantly. And as I said, you can put it in the fridge and enjoy. I have to go and finish this batch, so enjoy. Keep loving Lucci, and we'll get you next time. Keep healthy. Bye now. Go love yourself.